Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Good morning, have a nice day, good day. So guys, this time we are discuss Gate.io gave me a project name SPK. So guys, this time I gave you information project SPK. So we are started. Uh, First of all, red packet. Okay, guys, we are started. Git launch pool. Newly added Spark SPK stack SPK to Aaron reward delivers in real time. Spark SPK will be launched on Gate Launch Pool. Stack SPK to earn SPK token reward every hour. Okay, airdrop details stacking period 18 June 2025 at 12 to um, 25 June 2025 at 12 UTC. First of all, everyone, traveler China, and other members, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning. Have a nice day. So stacking to Aaron. No, SPAC SPK. Spark is an on-chain uh, capitals allocators with 3.95 B deployed across DeFi, CAFE, and RWA. It unlock capital efficiency at scale. Auto blends balancing allocations based on market conditions while maintaining a conservative risk profile. Okay. Okay, and SPK pool, SPK pool, total stack reward 720 thousand SPK, participants 1048 48, and token stacked SPK. Price pool Horley cap 4285.71 71 SPK, and mining period 7 days. Individual hourly reward cap for 28.57 SPK, and total stack 8 016 SPK 609 0.75%. Okay, and my stacking and stack my reward, and okay. So official website, King, welcome to my live channel. Git user ping 7704p, and worry, your welcome. Okay. SPARK Spark Aaron 4.5% on your stable coin, and maximize your stable coins while with transparent rates withdraw to USDC, DS, or direct anytime with no SafeEgg or platform fees. Okay, start saving 3.41 B, and introducing SPK. Introducing Introducing SPK. Okay, SPK, the native tokens of Spark will soon be available on Ethereum's mainnet. It powers participations across the ecosystems and enabling strong stacking. Governance and long term arguments. The Spark token, the stack coming soon, Stack SPK to help secure the Spark ecosystem and run Spark Point. Okay, deposit your USDC and earn 4.5% ARY. Okay, support it. Okay, guys, next actuators and white paper. And more informations, white paper. SPK tokens. SPK token has been airdropped. Important. The only official place to claim SPK in app Spark SPK airdrop. Do not trust any other websites or platform damning to offer SPK tokens or access to claim. Beware of scammers and false SPK tokens. Okay, SPK tokens. SPK is the native government's and stacking and stacking tokens of Spark designs with long-term visions for sustainability, decentralizations, and ecosystem arguments. SPK enables protocol governments protocol governments protocol security via stacking and reward distribution to participations. Okay, and Speak is deployed across Ethereum Arbitrum based optimized chains and goods is chains managing over 3.5 billion in stablecoins liquidity and generating more than 172 million annualized protocol revenue at time of waiting awaiting real time data can fund here. Okay, and governments SPK is the government's tokens of Spark liquidity. SPK will be used for signaling and sentiment checks checks via snapshots, voting with its role involving as its distributions became more decentralized. For more information on SPAC governments, please see the park artifact and stacking. Stacking SP can be stacked and SPK can be stacked and in the future stacked SP may be used to validate and secure products and services in the Spark ecosystem. Stacked SPK earn reward in the form of Spark points, symbiotics is also rewarding SPK stickers with points through its protocols. You can read more about stacking here. Okay, and next has peak has been airdrop yet has SPK been airdropped yet? Okay, and yes, SPK token has been airdropped. The only official place to claim SPK is at App Spark. SPK airdrop. Do not trust any others websites or platforms claiming to offer SPK tokens access to claim. Be aware of scammers and false SPK tokens. Okay, and next SP Spotted networks and token addresses below are the officials deployments of SPK behaviors of scammers and false SPK tokens. Token network tokens and addresses Ethereum, BSC and Base. Okay, and how can I bridge back between networks? You can bridge SPK between reward using strategy Stargate. Confirm you are using the uh, correct token addresses. Notes the static Stargate breeds is only for Ethereum BSC breeds. Audits you can find security outs for the SPK tokens. What will the total supply of SPK be? 10 billion SPK tokens were mined at Genesis. 35% of those SPK tokens were allocated to the Spark ecosystem to support the growth of Spark. The Sky ecosystem will receive 65% of the Genesis tokens, which Sky will distribute it through 10 years as PK farming commissions. More details on the below. Sky Sky retains the ability to mine additional SPK tokens under exams circumstance to cover bad debt. Learn more in the Sky Atlas. The SPK supply is all allocated as follows: category allocations, token amounts, and visiting schedules. Okay, and the chart below contains the distributions schedules for SPK distribution schedules and SPK allocations. SKY farming user. Everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. So guys, this time I'm project gate.io gave me project SPK. Okay, so I gave you more informations. SPK allocation, SPK farming users. SPK farming is offered by Sky ecosystem through Sky tokens farm users. You can use users can stack USDT to farm SPK. Thus, SPK distributions follows the rules. See for the SKY Atlas, which states that SPCs will be distributed by Sky through these farm fames on the following schedules. Okay, and 1 years, 2 years, and yearly amount of SPK in millions, total amount of SPK in millions. Okay, and next below is a visual representations of the SPK as distribution schedules from Sky. उठो ख्याल करते मेरे वाल ख्याल कर मैं बढ़ गई नाल बैर Okay, Sky frames for SPK are not live yet. Once launched, they will be available on app Spark. Follow Spark on social media to stay updated on the launch date. Okay, ecosystems, team, and additional resources. Ecosystem 23% of the tokens are allocated to the Spark ecosystem to support in its growth. A key part of this innovative the Spark Airdrop program, which individuals preforming generations and overdrive and layer 3 comparison. More informations about the Spark airdrop can be found here. Okay, team, and the team allocations is designed to ensure long-term algorithms with the core contributors building and supporting Spark additional resources and okay. Next, SPK Spark airdrop. Next, Spark airdrop. Okay. Okay, we are discuss Spark. Sorry, SPK airdrop. As Spark is airdropping SPK tokens to three main categories of users: pre-farming, number one. Pre-farming and number two spark ligantions number three layer 3 and number one pre-farming based on landing borrowing activities on Sparklight and Valley during the pre-forming periods and spark liquidations and overview based on participations in specified activities on specified snapshots uh, data with any options to boost rewards. Number three layer 3 based on participations in spark quests on the layer 3 platforms. You can read more about each combinations in the following page or by clicking the link above. Okay, and number two, has SPK been airdrop yet? Okay, yes, the SPK tokens has and the SPK token has been airdropped. The only official place to claim SPK is at AppSpark SPK airdrop, and do not trust any others websites, any other websites or platform claiming to offer SPK tokens or access on claim reward of scammers and false SPK tokens. And how how do I check? How do I check if I will receive any drop? You can check if you are eligible for the airdrop by navigating to the airdrop page of the Spark app of App Spark by Spark airdrop. Okay, number one, you can then either input your wallet addresses or connect with your wallet. See your airdrop amount. Airdrop check eligibility for SPK airdrop and in number two. Okay, and number two. If you are valid eligibles, you can see the airdrops amount you need you invite claiming by clicking continue in the right sidebar. Okay, and see your airdrop amount and eligible criteria. Click on the criteria for detailed breakdowns and eligibility. Okay, eligibility. uh, Sorry. Okay, eligibility. In addition to any eligibility requirements for a particular phase of the airdrops, to be eligible you must at least 18 years of age and not an individual. चलो जाओ, भाग जाओ, काम कर रही हूँ मैं। ए, चार दिया के पंजा। ए, छोटे छोटे ना चाहते घर जाते जाओ, आप खेलो, मैं काम कर रही हूँ। In addition to any eligible requirements for a particular phase of the airdrop to be eligible, so you must be at least 18 years. And of you must be at 18 years of age and not an individuals or an entity subjects to nationals or international sanctions or otherwise designed on any list of prohibited or restricted parties, including but not limited to the list is maintained by the United Kingdom, the United Nations, the European Union or its members, starts or the applicable government authority. Please read the Spark airdrop terms and conditions and the requirements for each airdrop. Please face for more information. How long do I have to claim Spark? How long do I have claim SPK? The table below outlines all the relevant claiming periods for all SPK airdrop conversions. No times are in 24 hours UTC format and ignitions our layer 3 and pre-farming claiming starts and claiming ends. So how do I claim SPK? And airdrop check eligibles for SPK airdrop. Connect with your wallet. Number one, navigate to app Spark SPK airdrop and connect your wallet. Connect with your wallet. Number two, if your wallet is eligible, you can see the airdrop amounts you initiate claiming by clicking continue in the right side bar and see your airdrop amount and eligibility criteria. Click to the criteria for a data elite breakdown. Number three, after checking continue, you will be given some informations about SPK and the airdrop. Eagle eye, good. Thank you so much on my live channel. How are you today? Thank you so much, appreciate me. So guys, the mentions decisions you need to make it whether you want to participate in the over drive phase by stacking our SPK. You can read more about the overall overview. Uh, overdrive, overdrive phase here. Okay, and choose how to use your airdrop, and overview of the airdrop claiming options. If you simply want to claim uh, if you simply want to claim your SPK tokens, you can click claim your airdrop without stacking, and skip the rest of the process. If you later decide to participate in overdrive, you simply need to stack the amount of SPK you were granted in the generations airdrop. You can do this from the airdrop page. Okay, guys, and you don't qualify for the overview airdrop yet. Okay, and you can stack your SPK. In the overview phase, you then need to stack the amounts of SPK you were granted in the ignitions airdrop. SPK stack SPK to quantity. You must stack your logins SPK. Stack your SPK tokens to qualify for overdrive. You must stack the full amount of SPK you were granted in the legations airdrop. Okay. Uh, Okay. Next, five. Rule five. If you also want to boost your overdrive rewards, you have the options to deposit minimum of 1,000 USDT. Thank you so much, Igalai. 100 USDC or USDC into saving. Okay, not if you already have a 1,000 USDT or USDC in saving. You already qualify the boost. Okay. Boosts your changes for beginners, overdrives, airdrop, and earn saving APY. And next, deposit minimum 1,000 USDS or uh, Crypto King. Okay, welcome, join my live channel. Once you have finished the process, you will be redirected and overview your airdrop by airdrop, and important notes. Important notes. You must use the same wallet that qualifies for the airdrop. The claim interface will only be available after the tokens launch, and official announcement about the claim process will be made through the official account of Spark dot, and be aware of scammers and fake claiming websites. You can find the full terms and conditions for the airdrop and marketing crypto assist regulations informations. Please see Spark find mic for Spark crypto crypto assist your white papers and all the relevant informations. Okay, and pre-farming. Okay, SPK pre-farming airdrop, Spark pre-farming airdrop competitions rewards user based on usage of Sparkland and AAVE on Ethereum's miners. Select users of those platforms. So during the pre-farming period, will receive an airdrop depending on how much and how long they used either platforms during specified period, also known as season. Okay, and where can I check my airdrop amount? Yes, you may check your airdrop amount by going to the Spark pre farm airdrop dashboard and entering your wallet addresses and how much SPR allocated or to pre-farming users. SPK pre-farming allocated as follows: season August 2025, May 2024 20 133 434 783. And next seasons 2 pool May 2024 to 2025 16 June Sparkland per month promoted to pre-second basis for May 2024 and on out. Okay, and 3 number 3 ab 7 7239.130 SPK per month ported on pre per second basis from 2025 May and 24 May and reward. How to spec distributions pre farming users. Season 2, there are two seasons, year 1 and season 2. How long do you users have claimed their spark? um, you may claim your SPK from June 2025 and excluded behavior and anti-cheat formulas and Spark and anti-cheat formula. And for dirty hairs are some valid examples: Spry West and other etc. And AVI anti cheat formula. And next SPK ignition airdrop. How many SPK tokens are allocated to ignitions, and how do I qualify for the ignitions airdrop? Qualifications: criteria, stablecoin holding and USD, USDS, USDC, DAI or sale holding. XDAI holding, DAI holdings, and Spark and activities, lending platform activities, AV lending and Morpho lending. All the DeFi activities, Pandals, APT, BIT or LP holdings, and Ethena holdings, Cure, 3 pull up, Pandals defined, and when can I claim my SPAC tokens, which networks qualify for the ignition's airdrop, etc. Okay, and next overview. SPK overview, airdrop. SPK overdrive airdrop. How do I qualify for the airdrop? Overdrive airdrop. Uh, SPK official overview of qualifications rules and what is overdrive boosting, official boost qualifications rules, and how is overdrive's SPK distributions, and one in this overdrive periods. When can I claim my overdrive SPK tokens? Okay, and next layer 3 quest. SPK Layer 3 airdrop. How many SPK tokens are allocated to the Layer 3 Compagons airdrops? How do I qualify for the Layer 3 airdrops? When can I claim my Layer 3 SPK tokens? And can I still participating in the Layer 3 Compagons and SPK stacking? SPK stacking. SPK stacking enables users to stack tiers SPK token to secure Spark and Ethereum stacking reward in return Spark leverages. Okay, leveraging. What is SPK stacking? How do I stack speak and stack SPK? Congrats all done and what are the reward a user stacking SPK will earn as spark points. These users will also earn symbiotic points. And how do I withdraw my stack? How do I withdraw stack and unstack SPRs and federalize SPK withdraw process? How does the withdrawal daily delay work and will earn spark points while my stack in the withdrawal quest? Why is their withdrawal daily stacked SPK token as the SPK and supported networks and tokens addresses? What are the risks? Mm, can I vote? Yes. Can I vote with my stacked SPK? Yes, users can vote with their full amount of SPK events when their SPK is stacked. What platform is used for stacking? Deployments. Dark deployments and sky deployments, there are two deployments, dark deployments and sky deployments. Okay, USDT tokens, USDS tokens. This page only reflect the USDS implementations of Ethereum's mainnet. If you are looking to integrate USDT on other network, okay, and overview, sport networks and token addresses, contract details available. So BRC20 tokens, functionality, ERC 46 tokens, functionality and referral code, upgradability, event estimate, key mechanisms and concepts, coaches, integrations, concerns, additional resources, and USDC tokens. USDC tokens overview. Eagle Eye, hello, hello, hi. Overview, supported networks and token addresses, contract details, and ERC20 tokens, functionalities. ER20 tokens and many others. Cross-chain tokens overview. The Spark liquidity tiers enables cross-chain liquidity of USDC, USDS, and USDC integrations. Integrators on this network. Oh, thank you so much, Igala. You sent me one USDT. Thank you so much. Networks can tap into this liquidity by the Spark liquidity layers enables cross-chains liquidity USDC, USDS, USDC integrations on these networks can step into these liquidity by integrating these cross-chains tokens. Okay, and contract details USDS, USDS, and USDC. Cross-chain saving rate Oracle overview and deployments base arbitrums and contracts SSRO Oracle base and Rth oracles and rate of providers and forwards receivers foundations and go teaches integrations concerns futures conversations gas and position trade and trade compounding. Thank you so much, brother G. Spark PSM overview. The Spark PSM extends the SKY PSM liquidity on Ethereum's mainnet to other chains such as based on and arbitrums and contracts details deployment stay variables and immutables etc. SPK tokens overview. SPK is the government's tokens of SPK. You can read more about tokens. Uh, Supported networks and token addresses. Contract details. SPRK pre-farming airdrop. Uh, pre sorry SPK performing airdrops. Where can I check my airdrop amount and how much SPK in allocated to pre-farming users and how is SPK distributed to pre-farming users season 1 season 2 and how long to users have to claim their SPK excluded behaviors and anti-cheat cheat cheat formula and spark and anti-cheat beer formula. Okay. SPK layer 3 airdrop. How many SPK tokens are allocated to the layer 3 competitions airdrop? The total SPK allocations for the layer 3 airdrop 15 billions 5 billions SPK and will be evenly distributed amongst all users who completed all four questions quiz on layer 3. Okay. SPK stacking. What is SPK stacking? SPK stacking allows tokens holders to stack their SPK to secure Spark in return tokens. Stackers runs back points. The stacked SPK helps increases the security of the systems by securing Spark tokens, breeds, and other features innovations for the protocol. Okay, and next, deployment. Deployments, Spark deployments, and Sky deployments. There are two categories, Spark and Sky. So USDS tokens overview and USDC tokens and cross chains token. Okay. Cross-chain saving, create oracles overview and more discussion and more details, but I have no time. I gave you more information. Rate provides rewards, receives functions, conversations, function glitches, integrations, concepts, futures, conversations, gas and Parisian trade office. Okay. Uh, and rate compounding and SPARK Spark SF SPM. Okay, guys. Next, our next discussion FAQ. Uh, Gate Launch Pool FAQ. Number one, what is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens or to earn hardly airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it is the ultimate platforms for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, how to now question number two, how I can participate in Gate Launch Pool. First, log in to your Gate accounts and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Which question number three, which coins can I stake in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be reward? Hardly stacking rewards. Individual artist to one horse valid stacking amounts. Total pool stacking amounts. Multiple hardly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and stack the average stacking amounts as the valid stacking amounts. How are reward distributed? The platform will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts yearly and tokens. Rewards are distributed to eligible users yearly. Earning will be distributed into users' spot accounts. When will the stack assets be redeemed after the user redeemed in advance, or the stacking is completed? The stacked assets will be transferred to simple error by default. In these options is unchecking the stack assets will be redeemed into post assets. Question number 7: can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? And the platform will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amounts. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accrued reward. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. In addition, each tracking pool improves daily redemptions limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a per pool. And can I added additional stacking assets? You can. Increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once that reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same time, you can stack in a different pools or receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pools needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack as a in pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and B, pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of the of new tokens. And what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward can hard cap per users for each projects are different ones. The cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement of the mining page for the reward hard cap limited for each project. Okay, and question number 11. Well stacked assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP levels. No assets stacked in the gate launch pool will be include in the assets holding calculations for hodler airdrop launch pool, launchpad, and VIP privilege. Number 12. What will happen? What will happen to May funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacking principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will distributed on the wholly after the end time. Okay, and about annual percentage rate APR. Number one, what sorry number one, when the reward coin is the stacked coin, APR total reward released in the last or total stacked multiple 365 multiple 42 24 multiple 100%. Number two, when the rewards coins is not the stack coins, APR total reward released in the last horse x closing price of the rewards coins of the last horse of total stacked x closing price of the stacked coins of the last horse multiple 365 plus 24 plus 100%. Okay, the APR is an estimate, and for reference only, the actual annualized returns you are finally received shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Okay. Okay, guys. Next, unlocking rules. 100% gate launch pool allows users to stack early. You can stack your assets before the project officially launch, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions. Reward distributions, the systems will distribute the tokens rewards to users sport accounts every hour based on the proportions of assets stacked by each users. Okay, launchful FAQ, I'm already FAQ. And how to participate, uh, how to participate, log into your gate account and complete identity verification, navigate to launch pool, hold a last one SPK, click stack project information, project informations. Okay, SPARK Spark is an on-chain capital allocators with 3950 sorry 3.95B deployed across DeFi, Cafe and RWA. It unlocks capital efficiency at scales, auto balancing allocations based on market conditions, while mining websites. Okay, okay, guys. Gate Labs investment disclosure. Disclosure. Okay, Gate Labs did not invest in Spark nodes. Notice one. Git launch pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn holy airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, guys, and notice number two. Uh, please complete identity verifications before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assist. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event. When participating, any cheating behavior is prohibited. Any and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the rewards. Number four, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English versions, the English version shall prevail. And notice number five. uh, Get results all right to the final explanations. Number six, this event is not affiliated with Apple, INCH, and number seven, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in these events, game, or competitions. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. Risk warning: the project learner does not guarantee the token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with quotation quotations and does not invest by once your financial uh, capacity. Number two. The crypto projects is still in its initial stage. Factor including the operations and underlying technology of the projects and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Number three, advanced technicals and financials knowledge is required to understand evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. And number four, the market volatility is high, and the price of tokens might fluctuate dropped drastically due to technicals, regularity, and market factors. Number five, user may not be able to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to technical issues of the project or gate. And uh, gate term gateway to crypto trade over 3600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take actions now, sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards and invite friends and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website and download the Gate app on desktop. Follow us on X Twitters to get more bonuses and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics, engaging with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof results. Okay. Uh, Okay, guys, everyone, thank you so much. You joined my live channel, Eagle Eye. My brother, Eagle Eye is my brother. He's joined my live channel and he's gave me one USDT. Send me. Thank you so much. And other members, they can enjoy my live stream and support me. So, everyone, thanks a lot of thanks. You joined my live channel. Many members get users and Franco's take plans and Flotil and many other members Crypto King Rajesh and Crypto King J and Angel I and many other members. So thanks a lot of thanks. You join my they join my live stream. Follow me and support me. Okay. So everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.